Alrighty guys, Jesse and Marcelo here. We're about to do something super wild. I'm rather nervous, but excited. I imagine you guys are too. We are about to draw for the winner of my beautiful STI. So in about a minute, we're gonna go live on Instagram. This is being filmed for YouTube to put up later for anyone that misses it. We're gonna have Marcelo running the random number generator app. Cole's on the camera there. And I'm gonna be flying through the book as well as trying to also film it live with my own phone and also write things down. So it's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna have to multitask with my hands, but I think I can do it. Followed with, I'm gonna be mailing out everyone's stickers, probably starting end of this week. So you will actually get your sticker. Everyone that makes it into the finale here is going to get a t-shirt mailed to them as well. So that will be 6 people. And one of those people will also win the car. So pretty wild. So let's see if we can fire up my phone here.
Make sure we got data.
Yeah. Oh man, it's on Wi-Fi right now. That's not good. All right. Oh,
you're gonna go down here. Oh yeah, then you go there.
Hey dudes, check the mic. Now I'm saying, are we live or what? Who's taking this puppy home?
Subie Sanctuary is live currently.
Nice.
On Instagram.
Marcelo's gonna be running the generator app.
What's going on, guys?
Has the random number generator app open. So now put that to 257. Okay, are you guys ready for the first hit? All right, hit it.
All right. 174.
All right, who we got on 174? Oh my goodness, man. They all seem so familiar. Skyler, oh my goodness, my boy Skyler.
Skyler Stevens.
Yep. So 174, Skyler. Some people entered multiple times. It would be insane if we had like the same person show up in here multiple times. That could happen. All right, hit it again before I have a heart attack. 112.
112.
It's Marcelo's favorite band. I think that is a band, isn't it?
I think it's Blink 182.
Melissa Gaudette, 112.
Melissa Gaudette.
Hey, girl won last time. Oh my goodness, I'm starting to get the shakes. All right, hit it again, man. 133. Who we got? Who we got? Alexander S. Mystery Man.
Mystery man.
133. Alex? Who is that? Oh, I know who that is. Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure that's, yep, it's definitely him. It's gotta be. All right, hit it again.
232.
232, 232.
First one in the 200s.
Oh, it's Mr. Forrester guy. Stefan.
Oh, wow, look at that.
232. Stefan, he's got a really unique
last name, yeah.
Teller to Chick. Maybe I wrote it down wrong in the first place. All right.
All right, ready?
Next dude. 171.
Could you imagine if it landed on the same number again? That would be insane.
We have Jared Tompkins. All right, and the final number. 217. That was like a lot of high numbers. Scott Phillips. Oh yeah, Scott made it in the bonus round last time.
It's a redeeming chance.
Yep. Oh my goodness, guys. You know what that means? All of you guys just won a t-shirt. Woo! And now, let's see who wins the car. So everybody remember their numbers and their place on the dice. Are you guys ready or what? Oh, we got 171. He's live. Melissa's watching live. Oh my goodness. Skylar is watching live. Okay, so...
Do you want to have a book next there or just...
yeah, in case I forget. Here is the dice, my friends. So I'm gonna roll it, try and get it to bounce off there so it's not just dropped. Yeah, here we go, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm nervous. 2.
Dude, that'd be Melissa.
Melissa Gaudette. Holy crap. Wow. All right, I am gonna see if I have her number and give her a call.
You want to give her a call on my phone? And then
yeah. Let's see, how do I...
Number 112.
Definitely.
Actually, you could request for it to go online with her.
Alright,
I
here.
believe.
Go live.
Wow.
With,
Oh my gosh,
with
she's gonna be
militia.
tweaking.
Tweaking.
Trying to. Why did the girls clean up in this contest? The girl won last time. Not saying there's anything wrong with that, but let's be honest. Wow. That is sweet that you just saw that live.
Oh my god, I am freaking screaming!
Isn't that
I just
insane?
scared my dog! Oh my god!
Wow.
I think he just chased the
Wild, eh?
camera to the car.
Yeah, so here we'll show you your baby here. Wild. Probably just made your day, week, month, possibly year. Glad it is going to someone appreciative. Are you ready to drive on the wrong side of the car? Mega congratulations from us here at the Subie Sanctuary. All right, enjoy the rest of your evening if you can sleep. All right, we out. Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, apparently, because the chicks are dominating on these contests here. They're winning all my cars. But yeah, nothing wrong with that. Gotta show love to everybody, and super mega congrats to Melissa Gadet on her win. So her number was, what was it, 112? Yeah. I feel like that's a band from like the late 2000s, or I'm just totally mental and don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, later I am gonna get further in touch with her. She was definitely pretty shook from the win. She was watching live, which was super rad. Definitely would have been wild. Like, I couldn't imagine winning anything like this myself. I definitely never have. So pretty wild that she was watching live. That was super awesome. And most importantly, I'd like to say a huge thank you to everybody that played. Without you guys, you know, contests like this wouldn't be possible. So I do deeply appreciate you guys playing, and definitely stay tuned till the next one. And all the dudes in the top 6 there, I'm gonna mail you out a shirt along with your sticker as a little consolation prize. Alrighty guys, till the next vid. That was wild. Catch you later. Alrighty guys, I just got a call from the winner of the car, Melissa. She is about a minute out, so they're gonna be pulling up at any moment, walking in to see their beautiful prize here. See when they cruise on in. Hopefully they can find the place. If not, I'll just have to keep the car. I hear beats pumping, probably 112. Oh, it's definitely them. Welcome.
What's up? What's up?
Come on in and see.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wild. I probably feel the same way, kinda, for the most part.
Oh my god. Look
Yeah.
at this.
Might take you a minute to digest, but like, I guess you would have probably never seen a car quite like this.
Never. Never. I am. Oh
Just
my god.
wild.
Look at this. Look at the paint.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god.
A lot of time.
Oh
into
my
this.
god. Look at this. Oh.
So, like, when you entered, did you ever think that out of 257 people, it would be you?
No.
No, probably not.
No. Absolutely not.
But you never know, and sometimes
Right.
it just happens.
It
yeah.
just takes that one, right?
Yeah. So Melissa had only got one spot. How did you find out about the contest, and what made you want to enter?
It's like, this is so incredible. A friend of mine, anyways, told me about the contest. I went on the Subie Sanctuary and saw the pictures of the car, and yeah, it was
You were in. Yeah.
absolutely.
And the odds are definitely tasty when it comes to you know, the
Yeah.
contest. They're
Yeah.
good odds.
No,
And-
this is an incredible, like,
Here you are.
I don't know, man. Holy.
Wild, eh?
I'm shaking.
Yeah, I bet. Do you want to go for a joyride in it?
Yes, I definitely do.
Sweet. Totally, this is a high performance machine. A little weird.
Oh, wow.
Warm up a bit. Does it feel trippy being over there?
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, you can see like mine is quiet like this too. You can see
Yeah.
how it's like a cool, sporty family cruiser. cruiser, kind of.
No, absolutely. I love it. No.
Never ripped it, no. But I know that the previous owner definitely did rip it.
Oh yeah.
He was a ripper.
Yeah.
He's probably watching this.
Sounds amazing. Oh my god, I love it.
A bit of butterflies there. You can do donuts in them if you want and stuff. Like that's what they're
Yeah.
made for. But I don't know. I'm not much of a donuter.
Or squirt, yeah. That's, I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess you get used to driving like that, right? Like,
yeah. I'm not very used to driving like this. But
No.
I've done it enough.
Yeah.
Ripping up here. So we got mud flaps. So
I saw that.
off-roading, no problem. It's just like a normal Subaru, but it's just really, really pretty.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's
definitely
pristine. Like,
yeah, it's
you guys
definitely
did
my
such-
best paint job I've ever done yet.
It's
So,
perfect.
sorry to all the other dudes who have paid for paint jobs and haven't got one as good as this. I don't know how it happened, but it did, and
No, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
too much mud. Yeah, we go down there, check out the river. Yeah, it sounds sweet echoing
Sounds
through the
so
trees.
nice.
Such a rally car. Just roars. Yeah, it really feels at home when you have it on like a twisty forest road like this.
Yeah.
Probably looks sweet from the outside. You get a lot of gang signs driving this.
Yeah.
It's like a Subie thing.
Yeah. And honestly, I'm just figuring that out.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know how many people like have added me to
Oh,
Instagram
no way.
since
wild.
since the video?
Yeah.
I'm literally at like 100 new people just.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Become Subie famous. Maybe too much fun.
Right.
Definitely gets a lot of people in trouble.
No, I could see that.
Oh,
I
yeah.
could see that for sure.
Oh yeah. Get a clip of our mud. Gave her the full Subaru experience. Went down some gravel roads. Checked out a cool river near us. So what did you think of the ride?
Amazing. It's perfect.
Super
Absolutely
cool, eh?
amazing. It sounds amazing. It feels.
Gives you butterflies when
Yeah,
it rips.
yeah, definitely. Definitely. Oh, I love it.
All right, hit them coming out now.
Woo!
All right, fire it up. Oh yeah. Give it a little rev if you want. It's all the way over to the right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ready to party.
I love it. Oh God. I love it.
I will say she definitely really enjoyed the ride. We definitely got the full Subaru experience aside from our head gaskets failing. From her, and with great consideration and her circumstance, she is unable to properly or adequately receive the car for a couple personal reasons. So she did kindly ask if she could have the cash value on the car, which I had absolutely no problem. I'm not going to force someone to take a car that they can't can't really keep or care for. Just as well, she could have taken it and sold it. I told her that as well. But also, in her circumstance and situation, I didn't think that her as the seller would be most ideal. So I am going to pay her out in cash in full for the car. Am I happy or sad? Either way, no, I am glad actually that she made a sensible decision in knowing that she entered this with the what if aspect that most people do when they enter something like this, but not fully able to actually receive or be able to enjoy or keep the car. So I have talked to like a few friends, people who know she is just going to take the cash for the car instead of the car itself, and they're asking, will I do another contest to find the car an owner, or what's kind of next for the car? Originally, I had done this because financially I actually needed the money for the car. Put a lot of time and a lot of money into doing this. Right now, it's still kind of up in the air. I'm not sure if I would do another contest, but I would be willing to. The last one was quite a bit of a stretch with respect to the entry fee. I do feel now, after looking back, it was a little higher than I really would have liked it to have been, to make it a more level playing field and more affordable for people who just kind of want to throw in one as a what if. So I mean, if I was to do it again, I would probably split the cost. Going back to the original one, I actually had a very hard time filling the contest. So as it got towards the end and it kind of became stale with entries, almost anyone that inquired about the contest saying they would love to get in, but they don't really have the money right now, I was actually just giving out free entries. So financially that was not wise, but again, I was content with what came in, and I was fine with going ahead with the actual draw for the car. But moving forward, undetermined what I am going to do at this point. I did really need the money from this. I'm not going to hold it back from someone who has rightfully either won the car or absolutely welcome to take the cash that I did receive for it. And she's really excited about that, because for somebody, I mean, this is that's a lot of money. So it's kind of like, walking in, scratching a ticket and winning a small lottery. So I am happy for her. She is really happy. She did really love the car. Ultimately, it just was not ideal for her situation, and that is completely fine. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed this vid. Thank you very much to everyone who played. I greatly appreciate it. Without you guys and without your support, none of this would be possible. You guys were really the ones that made this happen, and I deeply appreciate it. Alrighty guys, until the next one,